everyone, this is Tina from Tia's Treasures, and tonight I'm doing a real quick card using Pink and Main's December 2021 card kit of the month called, I believe it's a Frosty Hello. Yeah, Frosty Hello. And I am not doing a voiceover because I'm going to see if I can do a real quick card without doing one. Yesterday I dropped a video with the unboxing and me coloring up all these cute penguins, so I have so much left over that I'm going to just try to quickly do this. So I already cut a snowflake pattern paper piece 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I've got my card base, it's an A2. I cut out some glitter cardstock in the white in little snowbanks here. And I've got a few little penguins. I'm going to be using 3 of them on this card, which leaves 2 for another card. I'm talking kind of fast here. And I've got a Frosty Hello that I stamped in Simon Says Stamp, positively saturated ocean color. And I cut it into a little banner by hand, and I framed it up in some blue cardstock that came in the kit. Everything came in the kit except for the ink that the Simon Says ink, and of course the dies that I used to cut out my little snowbanks. And to start off, I want to take this background piece here and I want to ink it up real quick with some of this same ink just on the edges. So I've got my little brush here. This is probably going to take me longer to clean up than anything else I'm doing. And we're just going to lightly kind of put that along the edges here. I want to not have too many sharp, is that the word I'm looking for? I don't want any real sharp edges. Harsh edges, that's more the word I'm looking for. I'm not going to do the bottom because we're going to have the snowbanks over that. And I was thinking of doing like a winter sky, but because I wanted to see if we can get this done without a voiceover, I just figure we'll use some of this really pretty pattern paper. And did I just get fingerprints on it? I don't know. Looks like I got some ink on it, but I'm going to ignore that. We'll probably put a sequin or something on top of it. And let me find, this is the problem of trying to do this quickly. I'm trying to find a rag around here. I can clean this off real quick. Get that. Not my best cleaning job, but I think I have all the ink up. Well, most of the ink up anyway. Should have brought a wet rag in here when I was doing this. So let's go ahead and let me get a little bit. Oh God, I've got so much in my room here. A little bit of tape runner, adhesive tape on the back of this. Figured it'd be quicker to take the tape runner as opposed to gluing the back of this. And I'm going to take my, can you hear everything? So take the score buddy here so I can line it up nice and easy. This is obviously, it's going to be a horizontal card. So I've got that there. And this one I'm going to tape down flat. I'm going to pop up the second one, the second snowbank there. I don't think I'm tucking anything under. I think I'm going to be gluing on top, but I will leave a little bit of extra space anyway, just in case I decide I want to tuck something under there. Get that nice. And we're going to put some foam tape on the back of this here. And let's see. Put it on. And my scissors. Where'd those go? Did you hear that? It's what I get for piling stuff on top of everything. That was my guillotine, paper guillotine, my Tim Holtz guillotine thingy that just fell on the floor. You know, great, right? And let me put a couple pieces of dimensionals on here too. I think that's the size. Is that the same height? Pretty much. Pretty much, we hope. We hope that's the same height. And I probably should have just had the foam tape on the back of this before I started, which is something I usually do. But not today, I didn't. And the one time when I'm actually trying to make time to get this done, I don't have as much prepared ahead of time. And normally I would take this off of camera and take all the release paper off as well. But, well, it is off camera. I guess I can just keep talking to you as I pull off some of this release paper. I've got all these little penguins colored with Zig real brush markers that I did yesterday. And I'm hoping to try to practice a bit more with real brush markers and use them a little bit more, because I've got them and Copics, and I don't know if you've watched this channel at all, you know that I'm more likely to use ephemera and die cuts, you know, like from Spellbinders kits, than actually do much coloring. But I've got such cute stamp sets because I've been like hoarding stuff that I really should be coloring some, you know, more and getting stuff done. So here I've got this popped up, and we've got our little snowbank. And now we're going to try to put a few glue dots on the back of our penguins as well. And the reason I'm doing that is because they're going to, they're not going to be flat on the card. I'm getting these dimensionals stuck to my fingers. And we'll put this one like right there. And see, that keeps it from, looks like I'm going to have to stick some more glue dots there when we're done. But that's keeping it from like dipping down, which is something I didn't want to really have happen. Now, normally I put way too many dimensionals or glue dots, whatever you want to call them, foam, you know, adhesive pieces on the back of my, my little stamps or pieces, but because I'm trying to get this done in a hurry, I'm probably not putting enough on the back. I'm just really sticking, you know, a few down there, and I'm going to end up coming back in, I think, after and putting a few more underneath. And we're going to put this little guy right there. A little heart would be cute too, don't you think? If I had like a little heart between the two of them. And now we're going to take our little guy with the little letter there. I think we're going to glue him flat down. Why not? He's going to be on top there. So we're going to glue him down just a little bit. And I know I didn't, of course, I didn't put glue all the way down, but somehow it's not coming up. Yeah, see? There. I knew I didn't, but it just is fighting with me a little bit. There we go. There. Fighting with me. And I'm going to, I'm going to take my tape here and just put a strip of that right down the center. Got that. And got a few more. I'll take a piece of this because I am trying to make sure that this doesn't need any more foam tape behind it. I'm just kind of rattling on a little bit. I think I'm flustered because I'm doing this live. I'm used to doing voiceovers all the time now, which lets me go at my own pace and just edit out anything that I don't like. As you see, I did take, I framed out my Frosty Hello, and I'm going to put it right over here. And I think it's already sticking down to the paper. I didn't press it down, but it stuck itself down. Well, it's a good thing it's pretty even there because it stuck itself down. Now, I think we need some sequins, or let's take some enamel dots. I got to dig out here. Here's my sequins, my enamel dots. I'm going to pull those out real quick, and we can put them right in the center there. What color do you think we should use? Mostly everything's blue, but oh, you know what? We can just use the white ones. That's what we'll use. Put a white one there. And of course, as I put it down, I don't get it even in the middle, even though that's what I was going for. And I don't have enough of these, I don't think, to put in every. Look at that. They're just going wherever they want. I've got the 2 there, and let's put another one. What do you think over here? And, well, for now, I think that's it. I may put a few more sequins in the end, but we finished this card pretty quickly. So this is our Frosty Hello card. And if you like this video, please hit the like or subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is the part where not doing a voiceover is nice, because when I get to the end of my voiceovers, I always run out of time and I have to rush, and I don't get to thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.